We've added everything to the user form, and now we can do some testing to see how it works. So make sure you save the workbook if you haven't done so recently. Just click the Save button, and then to run this, click on the user form to make sure it's selected, and go to the Run menu and click Run Sub User Form. There's also a shortcut, which is F5, and there's also the same button, this little triangle, is on the toolbar if you want to use that instead. So I'll click Run Sub User Form, and that opens it up. So we can see our 4 fields here, and the cursor is flashing in the first one, so I'll type 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as my part number. Press Tab or click in the location box, and I'll call this Store 1. Tab to the date, and I'll type 8/1 as the date. I don't need to put the year. Excel should be able to figure that out if it's the current year. Again, tab to quantity, and I'll put 100. Then I want to add that part to the database. So right now there's nothing on this worksheet. When I click Add this part, we should see this information in the first row of the database. So click the Add this part button, and we can see the information that was here is now on the database sheet, and we're ready to add another part, or if that was the only one you wanted to enter, just click the Close button. And then we're taken back to the Visual Basic editor. So from the testing, the buttons both work correctly, and the data is transferred correctly from the text boxes into the database on the worksheet.